Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the weight of the bigger garlic, and the weighing scale diagrams are given. So on first scale we observe that weight of 5 small garlics is shown as, let's see, 50 grams. The scale is pointing at 50 grams, so which is 50 grams. Therefore we can conclude that weight of one small garlic will be 50 by 5 equal to 10 grams. This is weight of one small garlic. Now observing the second scale, that is on second scale, what do we observe? We observe there are 6 small garlics and 1 big garlic. Therefore, on second scale, 6 small garlics plus 1 big garlic weigh 110 grams. The scale is showing 110 grams. So we can say that since one small garlic weighs 10 grams, we can say that 6 small garlics weigh 60 grams. So we have 60 grams plus weight of one big garlic equal to 110 grams. Therefore, from here we get weight of one big garlic equal to 110 minus 60, which is equal to 50 gram. So we got the answer for weight of one big garlic as 50 grams. This is the answer.